We just got back from the best 6 nights at the Rosewood Resort in Virgin Gorda, located in the British Virgin Islands, and I have got to show you our beautiful room. We were lucky enough to be here for my 30th birthday, and it was one of the most special vacations I have ever been on. So let's look at the room. Hurricane Ernesto did hit while we were here, so there are a bit of leaves on the ground that you'll see and some trees that had fallen, but everything was totally fine. So this is a foot bath. When you walk up, you can wash the sand off your feet. And then this is our entire private patio. It was so spacious. Our baby took many naps on that couch while we enjoyed the view and had some lunches on the porch. We actually got upgraded to this junior suite thanks to my travel agent. This is beachfront, beautiful mornings and sunsets. And then you'll see this on the door. This is kind of like their do not disturb sign. You flip it to red or green if you want your room to be cleaned or if you're inside and busy. This was our last day leaving, so our luggage is out and the room is a bit dirty, but I still wanted to show it. There are some balloons that they put out for my 30th birthday still. There's a living area. And then if you come over here, this is a window that you can open up if you want to get some fresh air in the room. The most comfortable bed. I loved it so much. It was really soft. The bedding and linens and everything are amazing quality. They provided us with a high chair and with a baby monitor. This place is so kid friendly. This is the bar, beautiful barware with a variety of glasses, different alcohol that you can purchase in the room. This is the mini bar with some of the food that I ordered through room service. And then this here slides and opens up a coffee and tea area. And the waters in the room are complimentary, but you'll have to pay for them at the restaurant unless you were to do the house water, which is free. Just some silverware and plates if you need it, and then extra storage. A little seat, diaper pail, a crib that they provided with a blanket and pillow, and there was also a teddy bear that they provided for my baby. The room was really, really spacious. And then you have here a full-length mirror that starts the closets. So then the first one is closed, and there was an ironing board in that one. That's my baby. And then this is a large walk-in closet with hangers on each side, bathrobes, plenty of storage. There were cabinets, there were drawers, shelving, then you have your safe. And then here's where you can leave laundry to be washed or shoes to be shined, a bag that they give you to use at the beach, which I found really, really convenient. Extra towels. Then we're going to go into the bathroom. There's a separate room for the toilet, giant walk-in shower, and then there is an outdoor rain shower, which I loved using in the morning before my baby woke up. As you can see, some of the trees are a bit bent from the hurricane, but I think it made it even more of a private experience out there, so I didn't mind the extra trees. Then you come over here and there is a huge soaking tub. They also provided a baby bathtub if we needed it, and baby bath essentials that also included some baby bug spray that we loved because there were plenty of mosquitoes. Being rainy and hurricane season and the heat, it was perfect for mosquitoes. Then we have a double vanity here. Plenty of storage space and counter space for all of my stuff. A dirty hamper if you wanted to throw any towels or anything in there. And it was just a huge bathroom. This bathroom is probably the size of my bedroom at my house. And now this is the walking path. As you can see again, some of the trees were in the way from the storm. There's the crew actually working on clearing it. And you can walk to the beach directly from the room. This isn't, I don't think, a walking path that was made for us. There are sidewalks that can take you there. But I prefer to just take this path because, I mean, look at it. It's scenic, it's short, it's right from the room. It pretty much makes the room a beachfront walkout suite, I feel like. So you just walk past these shrubs and the palm trees, and here you are at the beach. The chairs are first come, first serve, but we never had a fight for a beach chair. What I also love about this place is that it is all front row beach chairs, so you're not trying to fight to get the front row chair. They leave kayaks and paddle boards out for you to use that are complimentary. And then over here on every chair, you are going to find a little button that you can press that'll ring somebody to come over and take your beachside order. They have a full menu of cocktails, wines, and different types of food that you can order. I love the chicken Caesar wrap. It was my favorite, and I actually ordered some to take with us to eat before we got on the plane. Another thing I love about this resort is how calm the water is. There are never any waves. It is perfect for snorkeling. I am scared to death of snorkeling and scared to death of the water, but I actually did it here. One, because it was so clear, but I felt really safe. I saw a stingray and an octopus while snorkeling right here in this cove, probably no more than 10 feet away from where I'm standing right now. And then there's also a platform that a lot of people were swimming to, but I never got brave enough to go out there. Overall, it was a 10 out of 10 vacation, one of my favorites ever. The food was amazing. Some of the pastries at breakfast were better than those that I had in France. They had complimentary beach drops, and the beaches in the Virgin Islands are absolutely gorgeous, as you can see this water. I can't wait to go back, and I'm already planning my next trip. Make sure you follow me at Hey Haley B for more travel.